So I just logged on for the day, and oftentimes I start my day in LinkedIn or email, and boom, look what happens. This is an update that sent through Super. But what it's telling me, this is Deanna telling me and our team, hey, the surge is back. This is an event that we're promoting, that we're throwing, and here's how you promote it, because we do these LinkedIn takeovers. Okay, so it's telling me all the things that I need to know how to post. Here's the assets that we need to post. Here's the details. And so now I can either close it out or snooze update. Oftentimes I do snooze it because I have to get to other stuff first. So let's say I snooze it. And then I am on LinkedIn now and I'm ready to go. So how do I access that? Now I just go into my Super and get my updates. And then I can see all the historical updates. So you can see like the surge is here. Here's all the information I need so I can create my post. But what else is there? Like if you, we did one with Hive, right? A takeover with Hive strategy a couple days ago. And here is all the assets that we need. So this is a really, really real life cool use case of how we use this function updates in Super and in LinkedIn, HubSpot, Gmail, just where we work to show us what we need to do. Take over the screen once, tell us, and then it's stored in updates. That's how we get our updates on product features, things like that. It is a really, really useful in the flow of work.